Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to new video. Today video unboxing the Rolls-Royce die-cast car. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited is a British luxury automobile maker. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited operates from purpose-built administrative and production facilities opened in 2003 across from the strict Goodwood Circuit in Goodwood, West Sussex, England. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited is the exclusive manufacturer of Rolls-Royce branded motor cars since 2003. The BBC called Rolls-Royce probably one of the most recognized icons in the world, and that the name Rolls-Royce entered the English language as superlative. A marketing survey in 1987 showed that only was a more widely known brand than Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce Phantom four-door saloon was the first product offered for sale in 2003. Since then, the company has expanded its product line to exclude extended wheelbase two-door coupe and convertible versions of the Phantom saloon, as well as the smaller Ghost four-door saloon, raised two-door coupe down convertible, and the Scollins SUV. Rolls-Royce unveiled a new Phantom at the Great 8 Phantoms exhibit, which would go into production at the end of 2017 with sales starting in 2018. This is the current flagship model and the most expensive production car made by Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. Since 2003 to 2016, Phantom four-door saloon launched in January 2003 at Detroit's North American International Auto Show. This is the first model from Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited. The car has 6.75-liter V12 engine sourced from BMW, but most components are unique to the parts are sourced from continental Europe and the UK. Assembly, leatherwork, woodwork, and finishing are carried out in a new factory in Goodwood near Christchurch, Sussex. 2005 to 2016 Rolls-Royce Phantom extended wheelbase. This car's wheelbase is 250 mm longer than that the standard Phantom saloon. Rolls-Royce is a British car manufacturer founded by Charles Stewart Rolls and Sir Frederick Henry Ross in 1906. The company operates in Goodwood, West Sussex, England, where the hand built its expanded lineup of luxury vehicles. Rolls-Royce is one of the world's most famous luxury car manufacturers that's been around for over a century in one shape or another and is currently the epitome of Porsche and BMW's family of brands. Rolls-Royce been producing laid-back sedans such as a Phantom or the Gauge of year, but more recently has branched out into the crossover SUV market due to the huge demand with the Collion elsewhere. The Down and the Wraith satisfy those looking for a two-door Rolls-Royce experience. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, never miss any video.